How does one start a video when he feels like he's been away from here for so long? I see this the coolest bird right now. Let me see if I get, he's eating the banana. I don't know if I could get up there with the zoom. He's so small. But first day back, it's nice to be back. We're gonna fight the jet lag today really hard, so if my eyes are red, it's because I've been lack of sleep lately. We're gonna go check out a few things at the farm and see what's been up, see what needs to be worked on. There's a lot of work to be done. Welcome back to the channel. So it was quite the challenging trip this time. Just to get from Edmonton to Vancouver was just a huge issue. It wasn't a weather, it was snowing, but the plane had some kind of deficiency and there was at first an hour-and-a-half delay. So we finally went. Actually, what happened was, to tell you the truth, is we were delayed the hour and a half and they knew we were going to miss our flight. So they rebooked us on a flight the same night at a later time. But it ended up that the flight was so delayed that we missed both those flights. And they thought we would make it. But by the time we got into Vancouver, you couldn't make it. There was no way. Holy smokes, let's check out this, what we're talking about. This is that wasp nest. Wow, look at that. So by the time we got there, that flight left. So we ended up spending the whole night. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. That is so big. So they booked us another flight and that left at noon Monday morning, but it wasn't, we had a direct flight booked, but now we had to fly to Hong Kong. And then when we got to Hong Kong, of course, that plane was delayed. So by the time we got into Bangkok, we were supposed to be there in the morning. It ended up that we were there the next night. So we got there at 11 o'clock. By the time we went through customs, it was probably over midnight, maybe closer to 1 o'clock. We went and checked out some flights, and what happened was there was an early morning flight at 6:55. So we just ended up staying at the airport, because why drive in a taxi all the way? Not that they're far. You'd get there to the hotel, you'd spend the money on the hotel, and then you'd have to just sleep for a couple hours and get right back up, get another taxi. That's the reason I'm so jet lagged, but I'm fighting it. I'm fighting it. Just like these chickens. Okay, we're gonna go pick up the kids. See how this goes. They haven't seen me in a long time. And maybe they'll be nervous. So as you see, Swadee Kap, that they actually paved the road into the farm. That's so nice. And we're gonna go pick up some chicken. do I park? Oh, I see they closed it. Oh, that smells good. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna make it. We are gonna do it. Check out this one. That's Data. Now, there's two children now that go to school here. Before it was just Mina, now it's Mina and Lawa. And you used to be able to drive in. Now they shut the gate and there's no more driving. Now you can see the kids are picking up rocks. Sweaty cop. Now at the very end, there will be the kids. Let's see if we could, if they recognize me. Oh yes. Sweaty cop, sweaty cop. This is our neighbor before. So now you can see into a Thai school. And it's not that hot, but it's pretty nice. There we go, there we go. Let's see you guys play. He wants me to play. Let's see them play. Oh, there they go. I think he wanted me to go play, but you know me. Oh, look who's here. Here's the two. Here's Lawa and Mina. Here she is. Sweaty cub. Oh, I can't get in there. Here's one, and here's the other. Ooh. And here's their classroom. You could look in. Ooh, sweaty cop. Baby school. Do you remember baby school? Okay, that's it. Hey, so for some reason I was like, maybe, just maybe, the kids kind of get scared when I haven't been there for a long time. Ooh. Hey you, hey you. Okay, so now we're gonna go get chicken. And I don't know if it's deep fried chicken or kids probably love it. Let's go check it out. Lawa! Sweaty cop, sweaty cop. Hello, hello. Okay, let's find this chicken. Is it over here? This is saiko. What is this one? Oh, yes, yes, yes. This is the chicken. Okay, they went for the bread. Okay, they don't want the chicken. How much is that? Are they 5 baht each? Okay, there you go. Cup. You don't eat chicken. Cup kun cup. Okay, now remember, my wife's allergic to chicken. It's probably one of the biggest hassles you've ever been around because every food she worries about. They cook it with the chicken? Do they deep fry it with the chicken? And same with seafood, so it's very hard to eat out. Okay, back to the farm. Okay, you can see they're really happy to see me. I promise you, it does change. In a couple of days, they won't be shy. Now, the dog that used to chase us, he's sitting back here. My Fi, what's his dog's name? She's saying it's Kapun. It's not Bui Fi, that's what his name is. But he hasn't chased us. In the overcast. Say hello, say hello. Lawa, hello, hello. Yay. Hey, hello. The adventures from the farm. Now that concrete, game changer. Rainy season. Now we only have to worry about rain in here. Okay. That's it. No more. I'm jet lagged. I'm tired. I'm gonna go hang out with the family for a bit. I might have a nap.